day. Say make we take this edition jellificate. I don't know what you carry come for us today.
What's a carry come for us today? They call rudiment of the drum.
Rudiment of the drum. Like we say make we know drum from the scratch. Waiting they call waiting for drum. Yes, before I forget, na name na Taiwo Shoyebo.
I own na Oluwatobiloba Ayodiro.
So Ayodiro?
Yes.
If they see this drum well, you know, waiting know some they call am apala.
Yes.
Some they call am gongon. But waiting make apala be gongon, waiting make gongon be apala. All these things wey we dey see drawing, we dey see towel, we dey see front, we dey see back, we dey see all these things. We don't know their name. Make you help tell our people wetin make this drum. This thing wey dey inside, wetin dey press, wetin be this thing, make you tell our people today.
My people wey dey for house so as now they see this drum wey complete like this. You know, it be like soup wey be say person dey cook, you go need add ingredients before it go become that soup you go fit do it, you go fit chop. Now you know different from wetin you dey hold like this for here. Many components bin dey wey be say for you to fit call am drum like this, you don add them, you don add plenty ingredients, you don add am mellow wey be say everything don become drum. Na wetin we come use start? My host. Na this thing wey you see am. People is na wetin dey small say. Without all this kind of thing, this drum no fit stand o. See this one. Now you call Oshon.
Oshon. Now you buy the color.
Yes, it is made of goat skin.
Goat skin.
Yes.
No be fish skin.
My honesty. Now you call
Oshon.
You see wetin dey here. Now you call eggy.
This maybe like brown like okay.
This
egg.
black one. Now you call eggy.
Eggy.
Yes. You can see wetin come tiny for here like this.
This way they take tire.
Yeah. Then you call Ogon. You can see wetin come dey here wey dey the surface, and this one itself. Now you call
Our skin.
Yes. Then you call our
skin.
You can see wetin come dey here so. Now you be like towel. No be your kind towel. If you don't knack am for drum finish, no be towel again. They call am Oja.
Oja.
Yes, Oja. This one wey come dey here. Now you dey call Odo. Yeah. Made of wood.
Mortar.
Yes.
Mortar.
Like it be like because say you get the shape of mortar.
Oh, so that's what they call it mortar.
Mortar.
So it's different from mortar when they take pound yam.
My so. Now you know.
So now you don't tell us this drum. What is this drum they do for?
This one.
For the drum.
This one now they use the type to adjust something. To adjust them.
To adjust the sound.
To adjust the sound. Sometimes say if you just carry am in the morning, the thing go dey very very tight. E go dey hard for face. Say the thing no go even want talk. Say they go dey give you off sound. Na him. This one, this rope na him. You go use tire. If you don't tire and finish, you go come release. You know like even we say that time you go need something to release to calm down. Now you go just use calm down. You go come untie am. Now you go fit use the drum.
Okay, make I add small thing wey me I know sef.
Okay.
As the drum dey so, e get 3 major sound.
Yes.
Wey dey take play am.
Yes.
If you be Yoruba person, you go understand wetin they call amiohun. Wetin they call am? The sound of
the sound.
the tone.
The
yes. Tone. For Yoruba we get 3 amiohun. We get do, re, mi. Now this drum now go produce. Now inside that do, re, mi, na im dey take make rhythm. They talk. They do everything wey they wan do. In fact, from research, any drum wey don get skin like this, the 3 major notes wey dem dey fit produce na do, re, mi. E come be the power of the drummer to manipulate so that you fit make am talk, make am sound, make am do sound any as the person wey dey play am want am make e be. Na make I add to wetin our guest don tell us today. Say this na so the everything wey make gongon or apala be gongon. Make we hear the sound. start?
Now God give you talent.
No be say you teach.
No be say I go just carry am down. Now God give you talent. As I don't know, say I get love for drums. That time when my mama dey baff me, I go just carry my leg up like this. I go come dey knack my head like this. But then I wan go say stop her. But I know say I don't get love for drums.
I can't go back. So na take na so take
Na so small.
Now when you say you come dey sabi the drum well, how many years experience you don get now?
Now I don't get like professional. I don't get like 4 years now.
When you don dey play well. Okay, which kind day when you say you play the drum, you say this drum I wan leave, I no go play am again.
And that day I bin get hope say because plenty dignitaries bin dey there. They come call me say me I come drum. But before I know am, they come go add my name for last. Before they go call my name,
people
don't go finish the thing, pay me. Because for that time, you go feel display your talent.
When people dey there. Okay, which day I be, when we say, thank God, say I be female, I be woman, I be lady, where they drum. So far.
Most time na appreciation. If it be money, at times if it be thank you, the way they go even to appreciate you, go make you, the way they go swear. You understand? So most time like that, they go say, I know you know, I like the drum, where you drum, next time, come, we go invite you to come another place. The kind of go get money where they go give you your heart, they go do it, go stay.
Alright, and make you also look at like this. There are people like you, women, ladies, young girls, where they get interest.
Yes.
So they drum like this. You fit teach.
I dey teach well well. I dey teach well.
It gets to where they teach.
I guess.
Okay, if person wan learn the drum, tell my people your number. Maybe they fit call you. Say okay, I dey obodo oyinbo. If you come America, London, Denmark, Italy, come teach me how to play this African talking drum.
Anytime when I wan learn the drum, just knack me for my ago. My number na 081 33 717 331.
For people wey dey obodo oyinbo wey no know 080 call am, make it wetin the code wey dem go press first.
Yes. Plus 234 81 33 717 331.
Call am again.
Plus 234 81 33 717 331.
Now so una don hear wetin I don tell us say na her number be that. If you wan learn the drum, na only Nigeria she dey teach. No, she fit come obodo oyinbo come teach una this African drum. Before we go, make we knack una small drum, make una take jolly for today.